Hello guys and welcome again to a new custom showcase. Um, we have again two new customs. I made these a few days back. Do you like the new uploading schedule? I just post some days. Maybe I'll even get a real schedule, so every Wednesday or something. I don't know. So, enough talk of that. More talk about the engines. We have one is almost complete, and one is complete. But, we have a Furness Railway Thomas and a Furness Railway Edward without a face. I just don't have a face yet. I want to buy one, but don't have a lot of money, so it's going to be tight. So let's begin. Here is my Furness Railway Thomas. It's heavily based on the Furness Railway G5, and I thought I saw a video of Thomas, what classes he could be, and one said a Furness Railway G5 because Thomas and Edward work together. And that's why they work so good together, because they worked with each other in the past. So this is a really good idea, I think. I have thought about it to make a movie from these two. I don't know, it's only in my head, but if you'd like to see that, a movie from the Furness Railway Edward, we have Albert, I don't have that one, Furness Railway Thomas, and then the movie, it's also based on, heavily inspired by just some origin movies, because I have seen, we don't have really an origin movie about Edward and Thomas, of course. But enough talk of that, and let's talk about the engines. Start off with Thomas, just a stock standard Mattel Thomas. I couldn't find the color that the G5s were, so I just painted them gray, because in my head canon, I thought Thomas is good at shunting. Yeah, that's the main thing. And Topham would like to buy a shunting engine. So maybe a shunting engine, maybe he was working at the docks or something, or in the shunting. But I thought black is just boring, and white is a little bit too much. And then you have gray. So I did him gray. We have black wheels, which look good. Mattel Thomas face. I got this Mattel Thomas from the Christmas unboxing. So I did not paint the underside of the engine again. My mistake. But it is gray. Furness Railway on the side. The cab, the cool bunker, not the lining. The red buffer beam. I maybe want to add lining at the back, but it's good for now. I did not paint the Thomas because it looks good. And on the train website, you have a picture of a G5, but it's gray. Now the gray background on the logo, it's perfect for this livery. So you can't really see it really good, but I think it's nice. If it's a shunting engine or an industrial engine, I think the shunting engine is better, because industrial engines are not. Thomas is not really an industrial type. He likes passenger runs, and it's not there. So that's my Furness grill and Thomas. Now we go with, and I really like the color of my Edward. Yeah, so the main thing is he doesn't have a face. And that's a problem. I need to get a face, but like I said, I'm don't have a lot of money right now, so I think I can't afford another face or another Mattel Edward. But let's get into it. We'll do the main body first. I think that's talk about the color. I really like this color. It's really got the red, but also got a rich feeling into it, you know? Yeah, so it has the, I sort of just see this, but I have this my own Edward. I have here into the window. Here I have two square ones. I need to change that. I literally see that right now. And the wheel arches, of course, they'll come. But I wanted to get this video out. Yeah, but I see that now the window is not so good. I'll change it. But did not paint the buffer beams red, because if you look at the K2 of the source material I had, they did not have red buffers. The Furness of the K2s did not really have red buffer beams. So no, I thought that this looked nice. It has the black lining, the black running board. I think the color is really great. Okay, really good. And yeah, so that's the main body. Now, also here I painted the underside, but did not paint this because it still has the name Edward, which is nice. So and I really like the Duke tender for Edward, for Furness, for the K2s. I mean, I see some just use the stock standard Edward, which is this one. Some I see use also a Emily tender, but or Molly tender, guess you prefer. But I also, you saw in the Christmas unboxing, yes, you saw I had a Duke tender, but I had no Duke with it. Don't know why that is. They just did not have it. But I really like the the Edward Tender, the Duke Tender, and the black lining, the top, but not the coal. I did not paint the coal black, only the outskirts, because then it would be all the same color and not really nice. I did not paint the wheels. No, I did not paint the underside. This side I painted. No, it's and we're that red, no red buffer rings. Furness Railway logo, black line. I really like the black lining on this. It looks really good. I think I'm going to get more customs with Duke sensors. They're just great. I find it. And this side black, where the fireman sits shoveling his coal. And that's the end of the video, I think. I hope you liked my custom engines, and say your thoughts about the movie I have in my head. Don't know if I will do it, but hey, the 8 times engines signing off. Goodbye and have a great day.